You can delete all of the data stored in your OpenR-Link multimedia system and revert to factory settings if, for example, you're selling the vehicle. To do this, with the vehicle stationary, go to the vehicle world on the multimedia system. Select Settings, then System, and finally Reset Options. Click on Restore Factory Settings, then on Reset to launch the system reset. All your data and applications will then be deleted. You can also delete the vehicle from your My Renault account. Go to the My Vehicle page in the My Renault app and select Delete Vehicle at the bottom of the screen. Give the reason for deletion, then confirm.